What's up, everybody? This is Dante, and another finally is here. Xbox Series X is here, and yes, I got the PS5, now I got the Series X. What else I need to talk about? Let's get to this unboxing. Now, I've been on a bit of a, I want to say roll. I wouldn't say a roll, but like more of a, hold on, I ain't even gotta use this. A situation where like I've been unboxing for like the past 4 weeks. Oh, hold on, Mike. Alright, so. Alright. One sticky, whatever, off. Okay, another one over here. So, I've been a big Xbox fan since the first Xbox. I've always had both systems, but I always favored the Xbox because of more of a technical advantage that you want to say. Not that big of a deal, but it was something for me that I've noticed compared to the PlayStation when it came to the Xbox and other Xbox systems, that I have surround sound in my basement, right? So I got 5.1 surround sound. I've had it for, I want to say 15 years now. So I'm used to having 5.1 surround sound. Now, when it came to connecting it to a receiver to get 5.1, Xbox always did surround sound slightly better. Where Sony and the PlayStation, it did it, but in a way where it was like 5.1, it was like Pro Logic 2 and not pure 5.1 surround sound. And people was probably saying, are you sure about that? I used to do this test with certain games. Like, it was a game called Splinter Cell. And when I would play the game, if you swing the camera around and make it face a certain area, the sound will come out of that particular speaker or that speaker back here. Like, you can swing it around and make it sound like it's coming from different areas. With the PlayStation, you could never do that. You would just hear this triangular sound where it came out the, as they say, the center speaker and the two back speakers, and it kind of like echoed through the other two and kind of made this echoey sound that gave you the I guess the somewhat fake feel of surround sound. So that's why I've always favored more of Xbox. And there's certain games I wanted on here, like Gears of War was always one of my favorites. When it came to multi-platform, I always went with the Xbox version. That was just me, nothing personal. But I was a Halo fan for a while, but that kind of fell off. And when Mass Effect first came out, the first game came on Xbox, and the other two came out. You know, it was stuff like that. But all right, let's get to. Oh, okay, right here. So that's why I've always favored the Xbox. But from what, like I said previously in the PlayStation unboxing video, that I've noticed that the PlayStation 5 does not have an optical cable where you can hook it up to a receiver and get 5.1 surround sound that way. I've noticed that, but I'm not sure about the Xbox. But I'm gonna definitely look at that and like critique that if that is the case, that they've gotten away from doing 5.1 surround sound, or they may do what these companies love to do, come with an extra cable or something later on and give you access to that, you know, just to get more money out of you. Okay. Damn, this thing is heavy. Oh, I was about to say, where is all the plugs at in the controller? All right. Let's see this bad boy. And Okay. Oh, I just got shocked. Get over there. Okay. Go right into it. I see 2 USB ports, USB-A ports, Ethernet port, HDMI out, the expansion case, and like I said before, it does not have an optical cable to give you 5.1 surround sound. Like I said, they may come out with, just may, just don't hold me to this, like a connection with the HDMI where you can plug a cable into that to get you the surround sound that you need. But I don't know, unless new receivers allow 5.1 surround sounds from HDMI. Not sure about that yet, but something to look into. Xbox controller. I have a wireless charging port over there, so I don't really need these batteries. But you know, keep them around for just in case you need batteries. This controller feels like previous generation. If it ain't broke, it ain't. I guess if it ain't what they call it, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. All right. HDMI, power cable. That's it. That's all I can say. That's it. USB-C now, so that's a good thing. I guess. And it says ultra high speed, so this must be HDMI 2.1 or higher if it's not. Power cable, the box. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Post your comments in the comment section. Anybody who has an Xbox Series X, let me know in the comment section. Tips or tricks or any suggestion that you may have. Now you know what I gotta do. Set it up, log in, software updates of course probably, and just get things going. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you hit that like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. See you in the next video. Peace.